Hi, I'm Meryl Velbeck, Schwarzkopf Professional Lead Product Support Person. I'm also a hairstylist and colorist just like you. Every day I get questions about everything Schwarzkopf Professional, including how to build added revenue into your services by adding treatments like FIBRE CLINIX. Come on over to my salon and let's talk about revenue builders like FIBRE CLINIX In-Salon treatments and take-home hair treats, while I do some color, cuts, keratin, and curls on my clients. Let's go! FIBRE CLINIX is my new fave go-to in-salon treatment. Revolutionary technology combines restructurizing the hair surface in tandem with connecting the inner hair bonds and restoring the hair, all while being a completely customizable in-salon treatment system for any hair fabric. FIBRE CLINIX is the perfect complement for color and other chemical services. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to customize your treatment for every client. Cleanse the hair with the FIBRE CLINIX Tri-Bond shampoo. Mix 25 grams of the FIBRE CLINIX Tri-Bond treatment with 5 pumps of your booster or boosters of choice to completely customize for every client's unique hair fabric while targeting what the hair needs with skincare-inspired ingredients. Now that we've learned how to mix the treatment base, let's go over the FIBRE CLINIX booster range to customize and then take a look at FIBRE CLINIX treatments in action on different hair fabrics. Fortify is the FIBRE CLINIX booster of choice for delicate hair, hair colored at high volume or high levels, or for hair that just needs a little extra TLC after many color changes. Fortify is also a great booster to cocktail with other boosters to work in tandem with hair that has more than one chemical process. Vibrancy is the perfect booster to use on any color-treated hair that could use some extra shine, keeps color lasting longer, and is great for gray coverage clients and for clients with hair extensions, as these clients sometimes have hair that is not as shiny as they would like after color. Vibrancy is also great for reds to keep them vibrant longer and delicate toners to lock them in. Hydrate is my go-to booster for clients that have naturally dry hair or hair that has become over dry from color processes or even their environment, as in the case with, for example, clients that swim frequently. Volumized Booster says it all. It's the go-to booster for fine hair that lacks volume and substance. Tame is the exact booster thicker, unruly hair needs to stay frizz-free and manageable. There you have it, the booster menu. Now let's do some treatment customizing on some clients. You could add a booster to fit every need. Fortify Booster is perfect for your delicate, highly processed, or clients with multiple processes such as color plus keratin, or color plus perm or relaxer, creating possibilities for complete maintenance or reconditioning. For my client, I customized my FIBRE CLINIX In-Salon treatment with 3 pumps Fortify Booster and 2 pumps Volumized Booster to not only strengthen her blonde hair, but add volume to plump up her fine hair fabric. FIBRE CLINIX Tame triple bonding technology and ceramides smooth the hair's surface for an anti-frizz effect. Ceramides are lipids that are natural components of the hair, attracting the lipids in Tame to bond with the hair fiber. The FIBRE CLINIX Tame range is the perfect system to use after coloring and applying a keratin treatment to the client's hair. FIBRE CLINIX Tame Home Care keeps the hair shining and smooth until the next client visit. FIBRE CLINIX Vibrancy is enriched with alpha-hydroxy acids, which are a combination of lactic acid and citric acid that protects the color, gives color vibrancy, and long-lasting color freshness. FIBRE CLINIX Vibrancy, while great for any color service, is the perfect choice for gray coverage clients whose hair might not be as shiny as they would like it to be, as hair can get a little dull on the mid-shafts and ends over time. FIBRE CLINIX Vibrancy Take-Home Care is also perfect to keep all colors shiny and keeping reds, vivids, and delicate toners sealed for longevity. FIBRE CLINIX Hydrate with Squalane Complex helps to deeply moisturize the hair. Squalane is known to be very hydrating and easily absorbed by the hair and skin, making the FIBRE CLINIX Hydrate range perfect for naturally curly hair, which can be naturally dry or permed hair. I like to cocktail FIBRE CLINIX Fortify Booster into my after coloring treatment for strong hydrated curls, and take-home care could be a perfect combination of FIBRE CLINIX Fortify shampoo and Hydrate conditioner or mask, for example. The result is beautiful and healthy curls that can be luxuriously refreshed between shampoos at home with FIBRE CLINIX Hydrate Leave-In Spray. I hope this information and my cheat sheets that you can screenshot for future reference about the Schwarzkopf Professional Fiber Clinics range has inspired you to up your revenue game for your salon or studio. By weaving these treatments and retail home care into the fiber of being part of your services, putting added revenue at your fingertips is as easy as consult, customize, and condition. For more information on the FIBRE CLINIX In-Salon treatments and retail ranges, or any other Schwarzkopf Professional color, care, or styling products, or to find a distributor for your salon in your area in the USA, reach out by phone at 800-234-4672 or email Schwarzkopf Professional on askeducationusa@henkel.com. I'm Meryl Velbeck, Lead Professional Product Support for Schwarzkopf Professional. Thank you for watching.